Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. One emergency meeting what did for keep yesterday between the Ministry for Finance and the air traffic controllers no reach nowhere after nobody from the ministry no show up. The teacher them in a Jamaica and the rest of the Caribbean vex after the Caribbean Examination Council CXC so them not change the exam date them. Businessman Ron Collins, who get charged after police find some coke what cost US $850,000, get $750,000 bail when him go at the St. James Parish Court. Leon Bailey, they in the Reggae Boy squad for the last 3 matches in the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers later this month. Now for the full tour of them. One emergency meeting what did for keep yesterday between the Ministry for Finance and the air traffic controllers no reach nowhere after nobody from the ministry no show up. According to reports, the Labour Ministry did ask the Jamaica Air Traffic Controllers Association, JATCA, for stop the strike notice to start today, but them say no. Kirk Solomon, or the president for JATCA, say if them never reach nowhere with the meeting, strike a go on today. The teacher them in a Jamaica and the rest of the Caribbean vex after the Caribbean Examination Council CXC say them not change the exam date them. CXC said the Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate CSEC and the Caribbean Advanced Proficiency Examination CAPE are going to start by May 2. But the Caribbean Union of Teachers cut so them want the exam them push back by at least 3 weeks. According to Dr. Garth Anderson, who are the president for CUT, like how the COVID-19 pandemic bother most of the students them in the Caribbean, things have to change. One woman dead Tuesday night after one bus car down when she crossed the Rose Hall Main Road in St. James. The dead woman, a 60 years old Esmeralda Russell, who come from one Jared Street address in a Montego Bay. According to the police report, around 8:45 p.m. Miss Russell did cross the road near the Holiday Inn Hotel when one vehicle car down. She dead at the Cornwall Regional Hospital. Businessman Ron Collins, who get charged after police find some coke that cost US $850,000, get $750,000 bail when him go before the St. James Parish Court. Him get bail under 2 conditions. Him have to carry in him travel document them and him have to report to the police 3 times a week. Plus, the police put one stop order upon him from left the country. Cummins a go back to court on July 14. Gunman shot 2 people and one of them dead in a West Kingston Tuesday. According to the police report, 54 years old Paul Wallace did stand up on gate pan Tulip Lane around 7:30 when gunman shot him up. One 64 years old woman who did a walk get shot too. The police said them don't know what caused the shooting. Now for sports. Leon Bailey, they in the Reggae Boy squad for the last 3 matches in the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers later this month. Bailey never played in the last window because him did get hurt. The Reggae Boys are going to play El Salvador per March 24 at the National Stadium, then Canada in Canada on the 27th, and Honduras at the National Stadium on March 30. People, remember the curfew from 12 a.m. in the morning to 5 in the morning. My name Kadeen Marshall and that's the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.